Hello, today I'm making my 2-ingredient fudge. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2. You can see we have our 2-ingredient fudge with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ways, if you could include the original, to make 2-ingredient fudge. Now, I am testing this because on my other YouTube channel, Super Easy Recipes, my #1 video with 300,000 views is my easy no-bake cheesecake. But there's been some comments that people said that their cheesecake didn't set up, and we cannot figure out why their cheesecake didn't set up. So Mom did some research, and the only thing she could find was that this store brand sweetened condensed milk doesn't let it set up, but the Eagle brand does. We're like, what in the world? But when you look on the back, the nutrition facts are exactly the same. They both just have milk and sugar. All the nutrition facts are exactly the same. So this should be the exact same product. I'm not understanding what's going on here. So we're going to test it with the fudge because some of my fudges have been a little soft. And I thought it was because I wasn't using enough chocolate chips. But we're going to test it and see. All right. Here we go. Super easy recipe, guys, really. 1 bag. Now, it must be 12 ounces. You can use any kind of chips you want. You can use peanut butter chips, white chips, mint chips, peppermint chips, any chips you want, but they have to be, even cherry chips, 12 ounces, okay? So make sure you have your 12 ounces. And then we're going to put that in our bowl. Now, I'm not doing any variations on this, so I can just make sure that the recipe is correct. Now, well, okay, so let's see if they look the same here. Ooh, they don't look the same. Well, they smell the same, although I noticed, look at my can is dented here. I think I should get another can.
If it's a test, we want to be sure. Maybe it would be a good idea.
It smells okay. All right, let me go grab another can. Hold on. Okay, so now I got another can. Let's see. Ooh, look at that.
That's a Walmart one?
Yeah.
So the one that was dented is
So the one that's dented is darker, so I'm wondering if something's wrong with this one since it was dented. Okay, probably won't use that one. But this is slightly darker though.
They're almost the same. But
they're really, really close to the same. Okay, so the first batch is the Great Value. Oh, shoot. Can you come here for a second, Jack? Can you grab me this white spatula over there? The little one. Thank you.
You're making the best fudge ever.
I am making the best fudge ever.
Super easy to make. It's in our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better and spend less for only, what is it now, $49.99?
I don't know, it's on sale.
Oh, it's on sale?
Yes.
Oh.
We believe in bargains.
Oh, nice.
All right. Now, let's get this all out. Then we're going to put this in the microwave. Although I've never microwaved in this bowl before, so I don't know if this is going to be a good idea or not.
we don't want any unexpected things
I
on
know.
the recipes.
Okay, there we go. So we'll see. All right, so every 30 seconds to a minute or so, just go in and stir it. Okay, just microwave it in 30-second increments until it gets smooth. Mine just needs just a little bit more. All right, perfect. Okay, so far this is looking right. All right, this looks great. Nice and smooth. Then I'm going to grease my pan. This is an 8x8 pan. Then just spread it out. Then you're going to refrigerate it after you get it spread in the pan, just like so. If you have room to refrigerate it. Okay. Now, if you're like me and live in Wyoming, you can put it outside also. There we go. All right.
Treats for the deer.
Yes.
And the bears.
Yes. So now we're going to do the Walmart. Now, I love these mini chocolate chips. They just are so easy.
So now we're doing the Eagle, right?
This is the Eagle brand. Did I say Walmart? This is the Eagle brand. Oh, brother. Okay. Now we're going to go microwave this. Gnome for the holidays. I love my gnomes. Now, the reason why you stir between each microwaving is so that it doesn't burn on the bottom, because microwaves do not evenly cook. So that's why you have to stir things to get the heat distributed. Perfect. Okay. All right, that looks very smooth and creamy and fudgy. Does that look fudgy?
Man, it smells amazing.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And then we'll come back after 4 hours and see if they are set up and if the Eagle or the Great Value Walmart is better or the same. Okay, so I was looking and it says recipe under label. Do you think this would be a great discovery? Except they don't say where to cut the label, so how do I know I'm not cutting through the recipe? But let's see. Ah, see, I cut through the recipe. Why don't they put a line? I guess you got to go on the line there. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's see what the rest. Oh dear.
Cut it where it's glued.
Okay, so now let's put it back together.
Ooh, it's like a treasure.
Chocolate crumb bars. Ooh, chocolate crumb bars sound like they might be delicious. Okay, does Eagle have a recipe? I don't know. Let's see. Do you get a bonus recipe with Eagle? Where's the edge? Oh, there it is. Oh, dear. That could be bad.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Pretends to be a professional.
Eagle does not have a bonus recipe.
No.
You have to go to their website to get the bonus recipes.
Well, at least you won't cut the bonus recipes.
This is true. Okay, so this was the Walmart, and this is the Eagle brand. Okay, so let's cut a piece here. Well, they cut pretty easy. They're cutting the same. Okay, they don't seem like they're particularly soft.
This one's
Yep.
Walmart. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's stout.
Okay, so this is the Eagle brand. Okay, put the camera down and take another bite because the camera was smudged.
This is Walmart?
Yeah. Great value. I think they're exactly the same.
I think the Walmart tastes better. It's Walmart.
I'm rinsing it with the tea. It does taste slightly different.
Some kind of strange aftertaste. It's the same chocolate?
Yeah. That is so weird. Here, come here, Jack. Taste test. Go rinse your mouth out. Take a drink of water. Do they taste the same?
They both taste fine to me.
No, this tastes different.
The Eagle one has a strange aftertaste to it, doesn't it?
They both taste good, but they do taste slightly different.
It's exactly the same chocolate chips.
Try one more piece from the Eagle to make sure we're not confused.
Wait, the Eagle tastes weird?
Yeah, the name.
Yeah.
Like it tastes bad kind of weird, or just
No,
different?
just different.
Some kind of strange aftertaste on it. The Walmart one is better. That's weird. Unexpected.
It's the same exact ingredients in both cans. How is that even possible?
Well, and the texture's the same on both, isn't it?
Yeah.
Interesting. And as I look, the Walmart one was slightly past the best if used by date. Well, 9 months past the best if used by date. But the Eagle one is apparently good for 2 more years.
Well, I'm going to steal peanut butter bread along the way out.
All right. Thank you for
All
your
right, I'm
dedication.
sorry. Let me just try the Walmart one more time. The Walmart one's better. Eagle one has an odd aftertaste to it. I'm not sure what that is.
I don't know, guys. But the Walmart brand tastes better. Condensed milk tastes better than the Eagle brand, we all think.
For fudge.
For fudge, I don't know. The consistency, though, for the fudge is fine. I found no difference in the consistency. It cuts. See, it's all cutting the same. So there's no consistency issue. Oops, my tea bag fell out. I don't know what to tell you the difference is, but try it yourself. Livingonadime.com. The recipe is in the description below. Go watch this video next.